In this video, we listed the 15 coolest camping essentials for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, CRKT Snap Lock Folding Pocket Knife. The CRKT Snap Lock Folding Pocket Knife is an innovative and elegant tool designed for gentlemen's everyday carry. It features a satin-finished blade and an innovative snap lock mechanism that makes opening and closing the knife secure, smooth, and highly functional. Unlike traditional folding knives, its unique mechanism pivots the blade outward from the handle, providing a sleek and captivating design. Key features: innovative snap lock mechanism. This patented mechanism offers one-handed operation and ensures secure blade deployment and closure. It's a standout feature for those who value both practicality and engineering brilliance. Skeletonized handle. The handle is crafted with a skeletonized design, reducing weight and adding to the knife's sophisticated aesthetic. This makes it a lightweight and stylish companion for daily use. Compact and portable. With its quick-release lanyard, the snap lock can be conveniently attached to gear, bags, or even a keychain, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry. Product 2. Product name, Insulated Water Bottle. The insulated water bottle 64 ounces is a high-capacity water flask designed to meet the hydration needs of individuals on the go. This half-gallon jug is crafted from durable triple-wall vacuum stainless steel, ensuring beverages stay cold for an impressive 48 hours, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, sports, or everyday use. Key features of this water bottle include its leak-proof design and non-BPA materials, emphasizing health and safety for users. The addition of a paracord handle enhances portability, providing a secure grip for easy carrying during activities like hiking, camping, or gym sessions. Furthermore, it comes equipped with straw spout lids, allowing for convenient access to water without tilting the bottle, which is particularly useful during exercise or while on the move. Product 3. Product name, Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack. The Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack, Carca Foliage, is a versatile and rugged tactical backpack designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, and survivalists. With a 36L capacity, this backpack is ideal for carrying essential gear for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Key features of the Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack include a detachable waist pack, adding modularity and allowing users to customize their loadout. Its small, modular lightweight load-carrying equipment system provides extensive options for attaching additional pouches and gear, making it a highly adaptable rucksack. The internal frame enhances structural support and ensures ergonomic weight distribution, making it comfortable for extended use. Product 4. Product name, Rocket Stove. The Rocket Stove is a highly efficient and portable cooking device designed for outdoor enthusiasts, backyard chefs, and survivalists. It utilizes wood or biomass as fuel, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional stoves. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for a variety of settings, such as camping, backyard cooking, outdoor events, BBQs, and emergency preparedness. Key features of the Rocket Stove include: high efficiency. Its design promotes efficient combustion, directing heat directly to the cooking surface while minimizing fuel use. Durability. Built with high-quality materials to withstand outdoor conditions and high temperatures. Versatility. Suitable for various cooking tasks, including boiling, grilling, and frying. Portability. The mini stove is lightweight and comes with a convenient storage bag, allowing easy transportation and storage. Product 5. Product name, Turtlebox Gen 2. The Turtlebox Gen 2 is a premium outdoor portable Bluetooth speaker designed for rugged use and exceptional sound performance. This speaker is perfect for adventurous individuals who demand durability and high-quality audio in extreme conditions. Below are its standout features. Powerful sound. Plays up to 120 dB, delivering crisp and loud audio, making it ideal for outdoor events, hiking, camping, and beach trips. Pair two turtle box speakers to enjoy true left-right stereo sound for an immersive audio experience. Durable build. Engineered for toughness, it is impact-resistant, ensuring longevity even in rough environments. The IP67 rating makes it waterproof and dustproof, suitable for use in rain, on the beach, or during outdoor adventures. Connectivity. Utilizes Bluetooth 5.0 for stable and seamless connectivity to devices. Product 6. Product name Machete with Saw. The Machete with Saw is a versatile and heavy-duty tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks, including bushcraft, outdoor hunting, garden cutting, tree trimming, and yard work. This 25-inch tool combines the traditional cutting power of a machete with the added functionality of a serrated saw blade, making it an essential item for survivalists, adventurers, and those involved in outdoor maintenance. Key features of this machete include: serrated blade. The integrated saw blade allows for efficient cutting through thicker branches and tougher materials, enhancing its utility beyond simple chopping tasks. Ergonomic no-slip handle. The handle is designed for comfort and safety, offering a secure grip even during extended use in challenging conditions. Heavy-duty durability. Built with high-quality materials, the machete is crafted to withstand tough environments and resist wear and tear. Protective sheath. A durable sheath is included, providing safe storage and easy portability. Product 7. Product name Jackie Explorer 1000. The Jackie Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station is a reliable and versatile solution for powering devices in various settings, including outdoor adventures, emergencies, and off-grid living. This power station features a 1070 Li FePO for battery, known for its durability and extended lifespan, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. Key features: high power capacity. With a 1500 W AC output, it can power a wide range of devices, including appliances, tools, and electronics. The 100 W USB-C port ensures fast and efficient charging for modern gadgets like laptops, tablets, and phones. Fast charging. The power station supports a 1-hour fast charge, significantly reducing downtime and ensuring readiness during critical moments. Solar generator capability. Designed for compatibility with solar panels, the Explorer 1000 V2 can harness solar energy, making it an eco-friendly choice for camping, RV travel, and off-grid scenarios. Product 8. Product name Fire Starters for Campfires. Fire starters for campfires are essential accessories that help make starting fires easier and more efficient, especially in outdoor settings like camping, grilling, or fireplaces. These fire starters come in various forms, including fatwood fire starter sticks, charcoal chimney starters, and long-burning starter kits. Fatwood sticks are highly flammable, providing a quick and reliable ignition for campfires or fire pits. Charcoal chimney starters are perfect for grilling, allowing for an even burn and eliminating the need for lighter fluid. These fire starters are designed to be eco-friendly and long-lasting, offering a safe and efficient way to light fires without the hassle of kindling. They can be used in a variety of situations, whether for cooking over a campfire, enjoying a cozy fire at a barbecue, or igniting a fireplace or wood stove at home. For enthusiasts who enjoy outdoor cooking, fatwood sticks and starter tools are particularly beneficial, ensuring a smooth and quick ignition for grilling and barbecuing. Product 9. Product name Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL. The Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL is an ultralight backpacking tent designed for adventurers seeking high-performance gear that balances weight, durability, and comfort. Ideal for hiking, camping, and outdoor enthusiasts, this tent offers a spacious interior with a high-volume hub design that maximizes livable space while maintaining a compact and lightweight structure, perfect for backpacking trips. Key features include durable yet lightweight materials, including ripstop nylon with a waterproof coating for enhanced weather resistance. The dual door and vestibule setup provide convenient entry, exit, and gear storage, making it suitable for solo travelers or small groups. The tent also incorporates thoughtful details like internal storage pockets, media sleeves, and a pre-bent pole architecture that ensures stability and easy setup. Product 10. Product name LED Camping Lantern. The LE 1000LM battery-powered LED camping lantern is a versatile and essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and individuals preparing for emergencies. With its powerful 1000 lumen output, this lantern ensures excellent illumination, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, power outages, and emergency situations. Key features: high brightness. The lantern offers up to 1000 lumens, providing bright and reliable lighting for various activities, including hiking, setting up tents, or lighting large areas. For light modes, users can switch between light modes to suit their needs. High brightness for maximum illumination. Low brightness for conserving battery life. Flashing light for emergency signaling. Warm light mode for a softer and more relaxing ambience. Battery powered. This lantern is powered by standard batteries, offering convenience for those who prefer or require a non-rechargeable option. This makes it easy to replace batteries when needed, especially in remote areas. Product 11. Product name Odoland 15 PCs Camping Cookware. The Odoland 15 PCs Camping Cookware Mess Kit is an excellent addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear, particularly for camping, backpacking, outdoor cooking, and picnics. This comprehensive set is designed with portability and convenience in mind, featuring lightweight and non-stick cookware that makes it easy to carry and clean. The kit includes a pot, pan, and kettle, all made with durable materials suitable for various outdoor conditions. In addition to cookware, the set provides essential dining utensils, including stainless steel cups, plates, forks, knives, and spoons, making it ideal for group meals in nature. The compact, space-saving design allows the entire set to nest together neatly, ensuring efficient packing for outdoor adventures. Product 12. Product name Down Sleeping Bag. A down sleeping bag for adults designed for cold weather backpacking offers exceptional warmth, comfort, and lightweight portability. Available in various temperature ratings, such as 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and 20 degrees Fahrenheit, these sleeping bags are ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable insulation during chilly nights. The down insulation used in these bags is highly effective at trapping body heat while maintaining breathability, ensuring warmth without excess weight. The bags typically come with a compression sack, making them easy to pack and carry in a backpack. These sleeping bags are well suited for backpacking, camping, and other cold weather outdoor activities, providing a high-performance solution for adventurers in need of warmth during extreme temperatures. Whether you're planning a winter camping trip or trekking through snowy landscapes, a down sleeping bag ensures a restful sleep by minimizing heat loss. Product 13. Product name Large First Aid Kit. The Large First Aid Kit for car, travel and home is an essential emergency kit designed to provide comprehensive medical support for a variety of situations, including hiking, camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities. Perfectly suited for home, car, and travel use, this first aid kit ensures you are well prepared for minor injuries and emergencies. The kit includes vital components like zip stitch wound closure strips, which offer an advanced alternative to traditional sutures for faster, safer wound closure in the event of cuts and lacerations. This makes it especially beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts who may encounter rough terrains. Product 14. Product name Camping Axe. A camping axe is a versatile tool that is an essential part of any outdoor enthusiast's gear, especially for those who enjoy activities like hiking, camping, or survival adventures. Designed for a variety of outdoor tasks, it is typically compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. This survival hatchet often comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and portability. As a multi-tool, a camping axe serves multiple purposes, such as chopping wood for campfires, splitting logs, clearing small brush, and even handling other basic outdoor tasks. Its ability to handle wood splitting and other everyday tasks makes it an indispensable tool for camping and survival situations. Product 15. Product name Espit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove. The Espit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove with solid fuel tablets is a compact and lightweight stove ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and hikers. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, fitting conveniently in a backpack or even a pocket. The stove operates using Espit's solid fuel tablets, which are efficient and easy to light, providing a reliable source of heat for cooking or boiling water while out in the wilderness. The stove is made from durable materials that can withstand high temperatures, and it is capable of supporting small cooking pots or cups. The inclusion of solid fuel tablets means no need for liquid fuel, offering a cleaner and more convenient solution for cooking in outdoor conditions. Given its practicality, the Spur Ultralight folding pocket stove is an excellent companion for camping, hiking, or any adventure where portability and efficiency are key.